Now that we're done blending into the top bulk and its silhouette, we can move on to the back, and we're going to start off by lining it up with our Annis T outliners at an angle, making sure there's a nice V shape. We're also going to use the same trimmer to line up the back of the beard, and you want to make sure not to press too hard here because it could bite them with the teeth of the trimmers. Before we line him up, we're going to debulk the hairline with our clipper over comb method. Now that we're done using our Tresemme hairspray to lay the hair down and hold it in place, we can move on to our Annis T outliners and start off at the middle, working our way to the sides. You also want to make sure you go as slow as possible so that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and you won't line them up properly. Moving on to the C cups, we're going to use the corners of the blade and start off at the bottom, working our way to the top arch. After we were done detailing, we're going to move on to the bottom of the beard, and we're going to use our Annis T outliners to start off at the middle or work our way to the sides. Remember not to press too hard here because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. The neck is usually a more sensitive area. Now that we're done with the beard and lining them up, we can move on to the Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. But before we use the razors, you always want to make sure you apply some shave gel so that the razor could glide better. Also, when using the razor, you want to stretch the skin with your opposite hand as much as possible and keep the blade at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. you.